She's probably tuned in to one of you guys' streams.
Probably. I'm just saying, if there are more rules, don't be stream sniping. Because it makes the game not fun. Let's hope, Pete! Let's hope!
She's not in mine unless her name is different from...
It could be different.
Could be.
Well, like I said, you gotta be stream sniping to win a game.
I hear it. I hear it. Help me.
Did you make it out?
Woo! My heart!
Feel my heart like a beating, like a drum.
It was beating so fast. I got Hatch.
Nice.
Hell yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Taylor's not saying anything.
We played against him before.
Mm-hmm. Kellen's playing as Miss Piggy.
Why is that sad? Why is Sag blocked out?
Sag? Well, it sounds like Vag, kinda. Sag Vag.
So weird.
Mm.
Oh well. There's always next game. We stay optimistic today, kids.
I didn't bother to really say it. Like, I don't know if they're gonna say anything or not. Oh!
But since you guys had stopped following me or stopped watching me, they weren't able to find me. That's why I say when I find it weird, because you can watch somebody stream without having to like log in. You can just basically watch them incognito. So that's why I was just like, I got Hatch quickly. That's why I was like, where is it? Where is it? And got Hatch. So yeah.
Oh, I was in the midst of loading, so it took a moment.
Yeah. Stream sniping is not fun, children.
It's in my rules. It's that bad that I had to make it a fucking rule. I was like, DVD. It's a pretty easy game.
It's a pretty simple game, and if you have to stream snipe to win, then you're
like, really
kind of a loser.
I'm like, there's nothing really hard about it. Granted, well, I'm not the greatest killer, but I wouldn't stream snipe anyone. I'm not into stream sniping people. It's fucked up. People.
But yeah, Midge had looked away and stopped watching me, and I got Hatch.
You think I was sniping? Sweetheart, we don't think you were sniping.
See?
We know you were.
Exactly.
Thing is, we've been stream sniped so many times. So I was like,
I told you their name was different. I told you because they weren't able to find me when Selena stopped watching me.
Oh, I couldn't even watch you. That's the thing. Like I said, when I was dying, I was loading into like trying to watch someone, but it never went through. So Midge was the one that was watching you.
If you're cringing, you're just basically telling on yourself. You're literally telling on yourself. By even coming to the stream, you're telling on yourself. And for you to say something, that just means you're telling on yourself.
How did they find us through whispers?
So
there's a perk.
Oh, it's a perk.
But I've never been able to properly use it. Then again, I don't play killer.
I'll be back.
Yeah, like I don't play killer.
But yeah.
No, it's just because we ran into a lot of killer stream sniping, so it's always like, because we've been right a lot of times with people stream sniping. We're not saying everyone does it, but we've been hella right for a whole bunch of them.
Yeah, we've been able to call it on quite a few of them.
Yeah, we're not trying to be rude, but it's just like when you get it so often, when I have it so often, it's irritating.
Yeah, it's hella irritating.
Oh, I can't buy this AG.
That's what it seemed like.
No, that's what I said. Like we're not trying to say you were. It's just we get it so often, and we tend to be right. Don't put TV on me. Well,
See, I just told you. They literally tell on themselves.
I wasn't always crouching either. There were points in time when I was trying to get away from you, and I thought I was hiding, and I didn't see you. But you would pop up out of fucking nowhere. Like, I'd see you 1 second, and the next second you were behind me.
it's always on the same gen. It was predictable. I don't play killer, so really play. I'm not a serious killer, so I wouldn't be able to predict some of it on the gen. Shit, that's what I wanted. That's what I wanted.
There's man.
Tinker Wisp. I know what Tinker does. Huh? What? What, T?
Check private.
Right. I agree with that. I don't want to do it to him.
It says it in your chat, talking about, but you were rude. Whatever.
Oh,
Talking about, but you were rude? Where were you rude?
where?
It says it in your chat, talking about, but you were rude. Rude for speaking the truth?
No, that was saying, like, we ran into some white people stream sniping. You tend to be right into some stream sniping. Like, I literally had to make it a rule not to stream snipe. We're not saying everyone does it, but we've been right a lot of times people are stream sniping.
We're right about 98% of the time when people say that they're not stream
And if you're wrong, we're wrong. There's like it is what it is at this point.
Besides the fact that their name is different from what they stream with, if they're a streamer, or what their Twitch, and that's how you literally don't know. I don't care if I'm aggressive. You want to know what's aggressive?
There's also 2 people here, by the way.
That's aggressive.
Pretty aggressive.
Don't fuck with me.
Don't even think about popping into my stream because it'll happen to you there too. I'm just saying. It'll be real fucking fast.
I just realized the name of this map is called Blood Lodge.
Sick of people telling me I'm aggressive when I speak the truth. And they only say that because I'm black.
Midge! You scared me!